Hi there.
Welcome to Docentes Digitalis TV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're going to focus on one of the most powerful tools to improve your speaking skills, daily dialogues. If you're just starting to learn English, you might feel nervous about speaking. Maybe you're worried about using the wrong words or making mistakes. But here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect to start speaking. In this video, we'll show you the most essential phrases used in everyday conversations. These are the kind of phrases you'll hear at work, at school, in a store, or when chatting with friends. Our goal is to help you feel confident and ready to use them right away. Imagine this: you walk into a store and the employee says, "Can I help you with something?" Instead of freezing up, you'll know exactly what to say. "Yes, I'm looking for a new phone case." See how simple that is? Or, let's say you're at a restaurant and the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" You can respond naturally with, "Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich, please." It's these small, simple interactions that will make you feel like you're finally speaking real English. Here's the key: don't try to memorize every word in English. Instead, focus on learning complete phrases that you can use in specific situations. If you can remember, "Can I get a?" you'll be able to order food, buy tickets, or ask for almost anything. Here are 3 tips to make these daily dialogues a part of your routine. First, repeat what you hear. If you're watching TV shows or movies, listen for common phrases and repeat them out loud. This will train your mouth and ears to recognize natural patterns. Second, practice role play. Imagine you're at a store, a restaurant, or in a conversation with a friend. Practice simple dialogues and responses. If you're learning with a friend, you can even act it out together. And finally, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is proof that you're learning. Every time you try, you get better. Confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from practice. If you found this video helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes Digitalis TV for more practical, real-life English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to learn the essential phrases and daily dialogues you need to speak English naturally and confidently. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.